In the upcoming iPhone 15 series, Apple is enhancing the camera capabilities once again. Temoarteker has acquired detailed information about the cameras in the iPhone 15 lineup, ranging from the standard iPhone 15 with its upgraded 48-megapixel camera to the iPhone 15 Pro Max featuring a new periscope telephoto lens. Let's take a dive into the upcoming iPhone 15 series. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, main camera. It will have a 48-megapixel image sensor with a f/1.6 aperture, ultra-wide camera. The ultra-wide camera will retain its 12-megapixel image sensor with a f/2.4 aperture. The base iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models are set to feature a brand new 48-megapixel Sony image sensor, a significant improvement over the 12-megapixel main camera found in the iPhone 14. This upgrade in megapixels will result in higher resolution images with better detail. It's important to note that this information has been corroborated by various sources, including industry analysts Jeff Pu and Ming-Chi Kuo, as well as Weibo user Digital Chat Station. The iPhone 15 is expected to use a different Sony sensor with enhanced capabilities, rather than the Sony IMX803 image sensor used in the iPhone 14 Pro. There's evidence suggesting that Apple tested different configurations of the base iPhone 15 model, with one possibly featuring the rumored stacked camera sensor system and the other not. It remains unclear whether the final units will include the stacked sensor system. Stacked camera sensors offer faster readout speeds and improved performance in low-light conditions. No major upgrades are anticipated for the ultra-wide camera, which is expected to maintain its 12-megapixel resolution and f/2.4 aperture. iPhone 15 Pro, main camera, 48 megapixels, Sony IMX803 image sensor, f/1.78 aperture, telephoto camera, 12.7 megapixels, f/2.8 aperture, ultra-wide camera, 13.4 megapixels, f/2.2 aperture. As far as the iPhone 15 Pro is concerned, improvements focus mainly on the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras, with the main camera still using the same Sony IMX803 image sensor found in the iPhone 14 Pro. This information contradicts previous rumors suggesting that the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max would use the Sony IMX903 image sensor. Both the ultra-wide and telephoto cameras will receive upgrades compared to the iPhone 14 Pro's 12-megapixel cameras, allowing for improved image quality and higher resolution photos. iPhone 15 Pro Max, main camera, 48 megapixels, Sony IMX803 image sensor, f/1.78 aperture, telephoto camera, 12.7 megapixels, f/2.8 aperture, periscope lens, ultra-wide camera, 13.4 megapixels, f/2.2 aperture. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the most intriguing model in the lineup. We've confirmed through industry sources that this phone will feature a brand new periscope lens system for its telephoto camera, backing up earlier statements by Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. This periscope zoom technology is expected to greatly enhance the iPhone 15 Pro Max's zoom capabilities. While the iPhone 14 Pro Max offers a 3x zoom, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could provide anywhere between 5x and 10x zoom. Unlike typical cameras with the image sensor directly beneath the lens, periscope systems employ angled mirrors to redirect light towards the image sensor. This optical trickery enables greater zoom capabilities than what standard telephoto cameras can achieve. Apple has likely chosen to introduce the periscope lens exclusively in the iPhone 15 Pro Max due to space limitations. Our sources indicate that the camera module in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is somewhat larger than those in the iPhone 14 Pro models and the smaller iPhone 15 Pro. This enlargement accommodates the periscope lens hardware, necessitating adjustments to other internal components like the mid-frame assembly. Apple plans for 2024. In 2024, the iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to grow in size to 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches, allowing Apple to incorporate the periscope lens into both the Pro and Pro Max models. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, periscope zoom won't be restricted to the larger Pro Max variant in the iPhone 16 lineup. In addition to the periscope zoom, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will retain the same 48-megapixel IMX803 image sensor and ultra-wide and telephoto cameras as the iPhone 15 Pro. It's important to note that the information presented here is based on pre-production data, which may not precisely match the hardware of mass-produced units. However, it offers the best insight into Apple's plans for the new iPhone lineup. For more details on what to expect, you can explore our dedicated rumor roundups for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro.